Hi everybody, it's Jennifer Labre. Today we're going to be making a card with the new Abstract Impressions stamp set from Stampin' Up. This is the card we're going to be making, a nice little thank you card. We're also going to be using the Big Shot Impressions. This is the, Pinewood Planks. Okay, I really like this embossing folder. It's pretty cool and gives a nice texture on the card, as you can see. Hopefully you can see that. Okay, so let's get started. First thing we're going to do is take a piece of the Poppy Parade cardstock, cut it in half for a standard card. We're going to fold that in half. And then use our bone folder to give it a nice crisp crease. Okay, we'll set that aside for now. Now I've already taken a piece of Whisper White 5 1/4 inch by 4 inches and run it through the Big Shot Sizzix machine with the planks embossing folder. So that's what we got. We're actually going to be using the reverse side of that, so it's going to be the decompressed side. Okay, we'll set that aside for right now. We're going to take a piece of the Poppy Parade 4 inches by 3 inches. That's going to be our centerpiece. And then finally we've got a piece of the Whisper White 3 3/4 by 2 3/4. This is what we're going to do our stamping on. So let's get started with that. We're going to be using our C block today. And we'll grab first our thank you stamp from the Abstract Impressions set. I'll put that on there. Then we're going to use our Memento Tuxedo Black ink for this. And just stamp it at the bottom of your panel. There we go. Clean that off with the stamping scrub. Put that stamp back. Okay. Next up, we're going to grab the stems. And we're going to stamp that with the Granny Apple Green ink. That'll go right above the thank you. There we go. Clean that off. And then finally we're going to grab the little flower bud stamp. Okay. That on there, and for that we're going to grab our Poppy Parade ink. If I can get this one closed. Well, put that aside. Okay, just line it up there, right above there. There we go, beautiful. Clean that off. And stick it right back in. And we're done with the stamping part. Okay, then we're going to take our snail adhesive. Go right on the back of this one. And center it right on the red panel. There we go. And we'll do the same with the pinks. right on the card. There we go. And then finally we're going to take some of our Stampin' Dimensionals and put it right on the back of this. This is really an easy card to make, but it's very beautiful. It can be used for a lot of different uses. And there you go. We're all done. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial today. Please check out my website at jenniferlabre.com, where I'll have all the products listed so that you can purchase them if you wish. Thanks for watching and have a great day.